The sun is rising on a new day for solar energy in America with a world-class solar manufacturing facility from Maxeon Solar Technologies in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's the latest exciting chapter of our solar innovation story that began in America nearly 40 years ago. And today, as a global solar leader chosen by more than 1 million customers for advanced technologies that are different and better, Maxeon is bringing solar home. Opening in 2025, our 3.5 gigawatt smart factory will produce up to 8 million solar panels a year, each made of solar cells fabricated on-site for more American-made technology in every product. An investment of more than $1 billion, it will create up to 1,500 green jobs and play a critical role in reshoring the U.S. solar supply chain while enhancing national energy security. Designed here, made here, installed here. At Maxeon, we're building a brighter, safer future by bringing solar manufacturing home and powering positive change in America.